Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can book hotel online using the booking.com. So here already opened the booking.com. So if you don't have an account yet, you need to sign up or log in first to your account. You can use a Google or a Facebook or a Apple ID to sign in into the booking.com. And after you sign up and sign in, you can just find the hotel that you want. You can search for your destinations in here. For example, I'm going to go to Bali. Click on the destinations that you want and then set the date. How many days are you staying or the days you check in or check out. For example, I'm going to go with next month like this. And how many people they are, and just tap on search when you are done with the settings. So the booking.com will show you some of the available hotel that might be right for you. You can just find the one that suits your budgets. For example, here I'm going to go with this one. You can tap on see availability. Then the details of the hotel will be open on the next tab. You can just scroll down, you can see the photos and the facility and everything. And here you can choose the room. For example, I'm going to do with this one. Tap on all reserve. And now you just need to fill in some details to proceed the booking. You need to fill in your email, your names, your phone number. In here, the additional facility that you want and the guest name. This one, the add-ons, you can just check which one that you need. For example, I'm going to go with renting a car. And if you want to write as if you have special requests, you can just write it in here and select your arrival time if you want to pick up at the airport. And now you can just tap on next, the final details, which is the payment. So you can just proceed with the payments and your hotel will be booked. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.